JASMINER X4 server before the use of the preparation and use of the tutorial. Step 1. Open the mining pool website. Click to register. Register a mining pool account. Enter confirmation code. Click Next. Complete registration. Step 2. Create a sub-account. Click Dashboard. Create a sub-account. Set account name. Select ETH or ETC. Set withdrawal address. Click to create. Note, all the following operations, please ensure that the computer and the machine are under the same network. Enter JASMINER official website. Click Support. Product installation guide and firmware. Click Firmware. Click Other. Click Download. Install after downloading. Click to still run if security prompts appear. Open the installed firmware. Click Generation. Click Start Scanning. After the scan is complete, all devices on the same network are displayed. Copy and paste the previously obtained mining pool address in the pools. Copy and paste the sub-account for the registered mining pool in the wallet account. Select currency, select frequency. Click Management. Saving configuration. Back to the main interface. Select the all machine to be configured. Click Configuration. The configuration time is about 2 minutes. Please be patient. When the machine blinks green, the configuration is successful. After the configuration is successful, click Scan Starting. The machine can show its hash rate after running for 30 minutes. On the miner list, right-click and click Management System. Enter the background to check the machine running status. All the configuration has been completed. If you have any problems in the process of use, please feel free to contact us.